In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini AI from Google in a very simple way. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Now sign in using your Google account. After login, you will see a clean chat screen. This is where you talk to Gemini. At the bottom, you will find a text box. Here, type what you want Gemini to do. For example, you can write, "Create a YouTube script for beginners," or "Explain SEO in simple English." After typing your message, press enter. Gemini will generate an answer for you in a few seconds. If the answer is too long or too hard, you can simply type "make it shorter" or "explain in easy words." You can also paste your own text and say "summarize this" or "rewrite this professionally." Another useful thing is that you can continue asking questions in the same chat, so you don't have to start again every time. Gemini is mainly useful for writing, learning, explaining topics, and improving your content. That's it. This is how you can easily start using Gemini AI by Google.